Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to import Yahoo Finance financial statements to Excel. We'll start by showing you the simplest way to get data into your spreadsheets. Then, we'll move on to more efficient techniques that can save you time and effort. You'll learn how to set up your Excel workbook to automatically pull in the latest financial figures, making your analysis much easier. The most straightforward approach involves manually copying and pasting. First, navigate to Yahoo Finance and select the company whose financial statements you need. Once there, find the income statement, balance sheet, or cash flow statement. Carefully select the data you wish to import, then simply copy it. Finally, paste this information directly into your Excel spreadsheet, making sure to format it correctly. For a more dynamic solution, utilize Excel's built-in web query feature. Open your Excel workbook and head to the Data tab. From there, select from Web and paste the Yahoo Finance URL for the specific financial statement. Excel will then display the tables available on that page. Choose the relevant tables, and Excel will import the data. You can easily refresh this connection later to get updated figures. Beyond basic methods, you can explore advanced options like Excel add-ins or custom VBA scripts for even greater automation and flexibility. Once your data is imported, remember to structure your Excel sheet efficiently for robust financial analysis. This will help you gain deeper insights from the numbers. For more details and other great deals, check the description below. Regularly refreshing your imported data ensures you always have the most current financial information at your fingertips, keeping your analysis precise and relevant.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.